it down just a tad bit towards your feet. There you go. Get some movement in the shoulder. Raise it up for me. Good. Pick it up. Again. Okay, flip to your back. Alright, so that was just a quick adjustment video. So he is more of a like wellness style patient, meaning that sometimes we'll do muscle work on him, but basically for like a wellness patient that comes in, I don't do a whole lot of muscle work. I'll use like the Hypervolt and then adjust him, and that's basically it. A therapy session is more like an hour-long session with me doing a bunch of muscle work, the cupping and the adjustments. So that is a head-to-toe adjustment series. We got some actually really good adjustments on him. It's just harder to hear the cracks. Like some people ask like, why don't I crack as loud as I hear on like when they watch YouTube videos? And if you're a bigger person, you have more muscle, like the adjustment gets absorbed by all that stuff, so you don't hear it as like when you watch these YouTube videos. A lot of them are like these dainty little females that like just crack like very, very loudly. So it's different for each person, but like for him, for example, he's just a big guy, has a lot of muscle, so all that muscle really absorbs the cracking adjustment sound. So that is basically going to be the extent of the video. Oh, also, I always talk about this, but people always ask like, how do I know how to adjust the neck? How do I adjust the neck? And you can see before I adjust, I'll kind of like do a little motion palpation, what it's called, just to see where their neck isn't moving, and that's basically how I practice. If something's not moving, I want to get it to move. So I'll go through each segment in his neck, starting from C7 at the bottom and work my way up all the way up to the top, and usually he's stuck in like C7-ish, C6, that CT junction, and then like kind of one in the middle. So that is how I adjust the neck. I find what's not really moving and try to get it to move. So this is going to be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Short and quick, short and sweet. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Put your comments down below. Subscribe if you are not already. And I will see you guys in the next video.